We spend much of our time to avoid regret. We don't say things because, well, we think, what if I wake up in the morning and I regret? We don't do things because we don't want to take the risk because what if I regret? But the truth is, regret is not about what you did. It comes from what you didn't. The conversation you avoided, the risk that you didn't take, the dream that you postponed until it expired. So today I want to talk to you about 5 truths about regret that can change your life. Not dramatically, not sad, but in a sharp and real way. So stay with me. Truth number 1, failure hurts less than regret. I know failure stings. Sometimes it's really embarrassing, but embarrassment fades and failure becomes a good story and sometimes even a stepping stone. But regret, on the other hand, grows teeth with age. The longer you avoid something, the heavier it becomes. Seneca nailed it 2,000 years ago. He says it's not that we have a short life, it's that we waste most of it. So failure isn't waste, avoidance is. This is my advice. Do one thing. If you fail, well, you move on. But if you don't start it, you carry that what if as an unpaid rent for the rest of your life. The truth number 2, mediocrity is a silent killer. Of course, no one wants to be average. No one plans to be average. Mediocrity doesn't come like a big bang. It creeps in slowly. One safe choice, one I do it later, one I don't want to do it because I don't want to take risk, even though I know I should do it. Well, you little by little build a life that is acceptable but painfully forgettable. One thing that Dostoevsky says, which is very beautiful, he says mystery of human being is not about the way that they live. It's about finding something to live for. So don't fear being wrong. Fear being average. Because safe choice feels good at the moment, but they don't age well. Truth number 3, happiness was never the goal. While we chase happiness like if it's a jackpot at the end of the maze. But happiness was never supposed to be a goal. It's supposed to be a side effect of your actions. As Oliver Burkeman says in his book 4,000 Weeks, the future is where happiness is, and you never arrive. Well, stop asking, will this make me happy? Instead, ask yourself, is it necessary? Do I need to do it? Do I need to try it? Does this matter to me? Happiness will follow. Happiness is a shadow of meaning, not the destination. Truth number 4, you regret silence more than mistake. The dumb words that we say, it fades. But the words that we have to say and we avoid saying it, they echo forever. Things like, I love you, I'm sorry, I quit, I don't want to do this, or I will need it. Even Marcus Aurelius says, waste no more time on debating about what a good man should do. Be one. Translation, stop debating in your head and start saying what matters. My advice: speak up. Words fade quickly, but silence echoes forever inside you. Truth number 5: risk age very well. The truth is, risk feels terrifying sometimes, but decade later, they age beautifully. They turn into beautiful stories, stories of courage, stories of your life. Those are the stories that you carry on. But safe choice, well, they never age. Nobody will ask you or remember what you are doing on Tuesday, every Tuesday, the things that you're supposed to do and you are doing in silence. But courage comes from action. As Helen Keller says, life is either daring adventure or nothing. Well, this is my advice. Give yourself a bias risk, even a small one. They add up in your life. And actually one day you will be very proud of it. And you will talk about it. So here's the bottom line. Regret doesn't come from failure. It comes from the life that you never gave yourself permission to do. And if you want to go deeper in this subject, I highly recommend the book of Oliver Burkeman, 4,000 Weeks. It's sharp, funny, and will make you think about the only asset that you have that never come back: time. So if you want a fewer regret, don't live carefully, live fully and completely. This is all what I have to say today, and I see you next week. And if you have any comment, please write it in a box below, and I would like to know your idea about regret. See you soon. Bye bye.